na de nsemi abeto dwa wo graphic online so say wo mo hwe Ghana for memu anu se sia sika ni na mo account mu no sika no sebi edoso wo mo ma chena bank mpanifo kura kunsa sika ni bida wo bi wa brochire kura sa sika no abrochirefo a wo mo wa network akese companies akese kura no wo mo ye sure se sika no o mo dim na se sia Ghana for mrantie no sika na mo account mu no anu odin enti se sia Bank of Ghana se sika bi ebe form ho na mo hwe na se sika no edoso bebra wo mu hu adwuma ko a wo fa so nya se sika na wo mbeto nsa afrew anaso wo de omo nsa beto sika nso kopem se wo de mu nchirechire mu ebe bro because sia no ndruboni ton no adoso sanso na enkrofo kunkum amanfo dwom sika enkrofo hack amanfo account abrofo ne ebu omo komu dwom sika ne ade enti Bank of Ghana sisi sika enam Ghana for mrantie account na no ode enti sisi de sika bi abeba wo mo hwe na sika no ebro wo sa abemu a na dwuma bi ani wa obeya obenya sika na wo mbeto nsafro na wo de wankasa wanu ye ababre cheche mu kwan ye fa so a unya sika no fie.
Bank of Ghana question account holders so when you're ready. Enchekra, they will have to satisfactorily explain the source of their wealth, whether individuals or organizations. Ghana card now which you my way in income into no bank account no I call outrageous you are a suspect.
Nekasia pa womu pa surrounded the issue of money laundering.
Exactly.
Say enipa di kwati kwan so kuntuna se edi sikafin ebi etimi wura
system ye wuno
banks no mu na banks no na akoye to say washing machine horo sikafin no na baba papa. So what the central bank is talking about is to primarily deal with the issue of money laundering.
Yes.
Look, UK say sika eto account boom £10,000 per subject to investigation. Bank no trigger no automatically. what you say?
Yeah.
Exactly. Especially see a share or income flow. All the time skebe to account to the use na but could be one of me bebe tum say boom say pay subject to investigation. You grad the young control near chassis near if we say a month for to me ekokodi enuboni huja na say sika no e kwan ben ana obefa so a obehohoro ho. If you study banking a little bit, it will tell you, say, banking system no and omu yusu ede hohoro scano. And one is obeya ne say be placing it into an account within the bank. The ekoko tom no has yes o yusu the yen niema no say wa no or the CC estate anum ne one or tycoon real estate developer. How can you operate a big real estate developer development of anything business abra you have no link with the banking sector? Why oba told dan oba time sikana to say the President Rawlings e kan ho asem say omo wie omo co-opposition after election 2016 obi etam $3 million cash edi kokoto dan abranka just a check to nipa na ye to ne dan no na nka bibia asettle na se wo so sika and the command nipa no na nipa no so anadwo tena ho no fa machine no kan ehun se aso how near benedie sa enema we say ene enema so mine so one quantia na man for this sika fin no be raw banking system no. And I'm saying say banks no ene key area woman de ko horo sika no to turn it from a dirty cash to clean cash. Ebi o kran so a na eye or friend is saying term ben and we use money. Cyber.
Sakawa.
Sakawa zika. Now the more one allows Sikano to enter into the banking system, no. That's our dirty money and can be clean money. In the same way, one more year kidnapping. I almost requested for ransom. Now say ya korebi say one in crop for presec in yakwada 17 years. One in crop for akoye plan say almost just go over 300,000 every day papa hon. Ya kidnap 340,000. And the fast way to me 20,000.
In fact, Ghana pa and you crack because stress could be, but I still wonder why people are dying out of stress.
And some people are any can but the point is, under the digitalization, it's true. 17-year-old were targeting over 340,000 Ghana citizens. 17-year-old. A subsidy in getting 20,000. Now, but the point out here, but now the person may candidate to want to say, and digitalization. Ne Angular is dealing with payment systems. And Momo account, it is a bank account. I increase what friend is saying. What friend is saying. Amount for more included in the banking system.
Yeah.
No, to about best 94%. No. Sikada o Momo account more. At our bank account tomorrow, had our say digital or friend say platform BIA is equivalent to bank accounts. Bank of Ghana ni sheshe no cover omunina. E demand ye kano near say Bank of Ghana or can banks assembling no na a limited to baby a yes building a bank no, because sir mobile payment systems no se banks no anymore and can we pay the banks and the telcos one more akabo more deliver SaaS system we say no Bank of Ghana edinani baby a Bank of Ghana na report annually amount of money krana afa mobile money accounts. Last year 1.9 trillion Ghana cedis and then running on mobile money platforms. So
great.
And the monitoring can be anywhere. And media is to deal with the crime associated with money laundering.
They say the Sikano, this a modify you. They say the scanner bar, this a Saka boy say about this a more more cordial, and the 5 year the bonnet chiku the band. They say the Bank of Ghana says Sikana bar, one measure manas, one medium on Sabato. And fa. Enebefa ekwenchua makra